Hey, what's up, friends? This is Carlton Lewis coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. In this video, we're going to talk about the price you pay for the space that you occupy. And we're going to talk about getting up to $300 on a Monday. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back to my rideshare road warriors. This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. Actually, I'm in a suburb of Atlanta called Marietta, East Cobb area. And I just wanted to drop this video. I told you guys I'll be giving you a daily recap. And I think I put out 3 or 4 videos last week. So today, Monday's always a good day to come out here and generate some income because it's a big travel day here in Atlanta. If you're out here on these Mondays, you can get it. So this morning I did 2 rides on the Uber app, and I'll put that on the screen. I took a screenshot, so I'm gonna put that up there for you guys. I did $127 on the app, Uber app, and that was 2 XL rides. Now, one guy, he tipped me like $18.83, so basically like 19 bucks. Repeat rider, really cool guy. And I tell you guys, the side benefits of driving rideshare, one of the side benefits is having good conversation and learning from people, other people. All right, even if you just get one idea that can help you, readjust or accelerate where you're trying to go, it's so worth it. Second ride, the guy didn't leave a tip, but that was okay. It was still an XL ride. And so, that timing was perfect because I had a private client scheduled to be picked up at 8:30 this morning. And so I got to the airport like at 8:28, which was really cool. And so it usually takes about 30 minutes or so for them to cycle from the tarmac all the way over to baggage claim and then over to where I picked them up at. So I got those guys picked up and took them out to their job. It was 2 of them. And one actually asked me to run a couple of errands with him. And so I got paid twice on that, $60 twice. I'll show you guys the screenshot. Guys need to use that Square Point of Sale app. I'll put a link. There's actually a link in the description of pretty much every video that I do. Some of the tools that I use. It probably needs to be updated. But, doing those 2 rides, there's $127 on the Uber app and then another $120 on the private. Just those 2 guys alone helped me generate an extra 120 bucks. And I just dropped off another private. It was a short ride, but that leads me into what I want to talk to you guys about. So you've got all the facts and figures. Now let's talk about the price you pay for the space that you occupy. A couple of my private clients, it's a lovely couple. I'm not going to mention their name, of course. It's an older couple. And, for me, I totally believe in world-class customer service. If you saw in my previous video about getting, how to increase your ratings and get more tips, it's about giving world-class customer service. But also what happens is you start to get repeat business and you even get referral business. And you always want to get those 2 types of business. When you really treat this like a business, it will pay you like a business. So this is a repeat client that I picked up. So I picked up the husband today, and he's getting on up in age, and when the wife told me where I was picking him up from, it did something to my heart, because God willing, we'll all get to a point to where we're gonna be old in age. Some of us are I don't want to say us, some of us humans, I'll say that some of us humans are checking out at an early age. I've lost a few friends this year. Some of them younger than me, some are a little older. I lost some family members too. But this situation, it's kind of it kind of hit me in the heart, because I knew this wasn't going to be a long ride. I only made $15. It was a really short ride, and but because they were, I'd picked them up a couple of times. They even referred me to pick up their daughter once and take her to the airport once. So sometimes you just gotta, I don't even want to say take the bad with the good. Sometimes you just gotta do what's right. You gotta do what's right. You'll get people that trust you when you're truly doing business. I mean, we do business with people that we know, like, and trust, right? That's what we do as human beings. We do business with people we know, like, and trust. And when you have that type of relationship built with your clients, they're always going to come back to you. They're always going to come back to you. And, it just tugged on my heartstring a little bit, because I know, what this gentleman is going through. Other people have gone through that too. And I've known, my stepmother actually passed away from something similar to that. So, actually exactly what he has. And so, I don't want to make it a sad video. However, I do want to tell you guys that service is the price you pay for the space you occupy. And the more people you are able to service, the more income you will generate. Don't necessarily turn down a ride or a trip because it's not going to make you rich. You're not going to get rich on any one trip. Okay, you're not going to do that. Not in rideshare. Maybe some other industry you may have that, but not in rideshare. So be of service. Go be of service to your people. Think about, you're giving world-class customer service. These people return to you. They return to using the app. They keep all of this whole cycle moving, from service. You provide a service to people. And, I pray that when I'm this gentleman's age, I have good people around me to help me, do basic things. If I start forgetting things, and, I may not be as sharp, as I am right now. My memory may not be as good as it is right now. And sorry, there's a guy with a blower over here. Can't control it, can't worry about it. But I hope and pray that I have good people around me like that, when I get up in years, God willing, that will be looking out after my best interests. Even someone, like how I am to this guy. I'm not a family member. I just, taken him a few times, and since the beginning of the year. And and this is a new project. This is a new phase of life that this gentleman is going through, and it's very delicate. And I'm fortunate, just like last week, I was fortunate to help my cousin out, who had been going through her own health challenges. But the thing about rideshare, it puts you in that position for that flexibility. And I always tell you guys about flexibility, just being able to do that. And I'm so happy I was able to help my cousin last week. And I'm so happy I was able to help this gentleman and his wife and his family today. So that's it. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I'm really close to a $300 day. I'm going to go home and rest. I know this is the time I would usually be coming back out, but I mean, I didn't care. I made an exception for this particular client. He needed me at 2. I'm here. I took care of him, and I'll go get some rest, and then I'll come back out and hit my goal for the day. All right. So that being said, like, comment, share. Make sure you share. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll address the haters on another video, man. There's some haters out there that just thumbs down everything. That's what their job is. And that's cool. I appreciate you guys. That means that people that you took time to look at it. You took time to press a button on your phone or on your computer screen or whatever, or your desktop, your laptop, your tablet, whatever. And you showed me, so even though you showed me a thumbs down, you showed me some love. All right, you gave me a thumbs down, you showed me some love. That's okay, because I'm still winning. And the rideshare community as a whole is still winning. So remember, service is the price you pay for the space that you occupy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This has been Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. Well, Marietta, Georgia. I'm still the Southeast Beast, the Conquering Chief, your highness, the finest prosperity done, #1. And this video is a wrap. Peace. Y'all be safe out there in the streets.